are the other posts you were telling about the education department and after that?
No, this is one example.
Okay.
I was focusing on the opportunities that a member of the IAS will have in dealing with situations which can't be anticipated,
Yeah.
and where you deal with human emotions and situations, where you have opportunities to interact with people at their levels of dreams. For example, I was managing director of Karnataka State Road Transport Corporation. At that time, Rajinikanth, of international fame as a super actor, was a Badli conductor. You know what Badli conductor means? Badli conductor means a temporary conductor. There is a list of Badli conductors there who has no regular job, who has to go to the depot every day and ask where there is a job. If there is a vacant, somebody has gone on leave, he will be asked to go on the road. When I was there as MD, he was put on this duty from Jeevan Bhima Nagar to Alsur.
Okay.
I never knew him. His name was Gaikwad. Okay. He was caught by an inspector, checking inspector, at this junction, KFC junction. The KFC was not there.
Okay.
At that junction, one morning, there were 80 passengers, most of them government officers, going to the Vidhan Sabha. Jeevan Bhima Nagar was quarters for the government. 80 of them. Only 40 were issued tickets. Rajinikanth was not cheating, but what happened was, he was issuing tickets, and then at Chinmaya Hospital side he stopped for issuing tickets to all. He was an honest man. He was, and then, but the passengers started shouting, "Hey, go, time for office." So he started the bus to move, and then slowly issuing. So when the checking inspector got in, there were 80 passengers and only 40 people had tickets. He asked him to get down and reported to the head office saying that one conductor, Badri conductor by number so-and-so, named the Gaikwad, has been caught red-handed, not issuing tickets. So routinely they said he may be placed under suspension. So what does MD do? The traffic control, everybody says so-and-so has conducted. So I said yes. It went to the section. In 5 minutes, the KSRTC is a huge organization with a number of conductors. There is a conductors association and the leader. Leader came to me and said, "Sir, the person whom you have ordered suspension is a very good artist, a very good actor."
By then he was into acting field?
He was acting, the drama and all that.
Okay.
I did not know.
Okay.
He said he's a very good actor. And for a Dasara festival of the KSRTC employees, you are the chief guest. And in the drama, he is going to act the role of Bhima. We have trained him to be Bhima. He's acting well. Now, if you keep him off, you will have no Bhima in the drama. A conversation. I said, "Oh, he's a good actor. Call back the file." I cancelled it. This information did not go to the conductors at large. The function was there. He acted in a superb way. And on the stage, the union leader, I was the chief guest. Union leader whispered to him, "That officer suspended you and withdrew it immediately, knowing that you are an actor." He came with this dress from the stage down and touched my feet. Then everybody knew why this is happening. Everybody knew that otherwise, actually by that action of his, he gave publicity to that incident. But everybody knew that he was not cheating and all that this incident happened. He was toying with the idea of going to Madras to pursue a career in film. That was his dream. These people did not want to leave him because he was a promising actor and artist. They wanted, in another 2 or 3 years, he would become a conductor, regular conductor. So the same union leader came to me and said, "Sir, please call him. He is toying with the idea of going to Chennai. He does not know anybody. He has no money. You please call him and advise him. Tell him, if you tell him that you have a future here as conductor, he may change his decision. I said, okay. I was also impressed by the acting. So I called him to my office. I can still picture him standing before me and said, Gaikwad, I believe you are planning to go to Chennai. Do you know anybody there? I know, sir. You have the money to know. But I have a dream. I have a dream to become an actor. And I will face it. So please allow me to go. So you have an occasion to interact with the dream of people, you know. And then where is Rajinikanth now? What a big story. Many years later, when this Kapali cinema, Kapaleshwar and the Kapali cinema was world famous, and there was one person in France who wanted to see the picture on the first day. He tried to book a ticket in the biggest theater in Paris, 2,000 capacity. He couldn't get. He flew to Bombay to see Kapali on the first day of release. That is the reputation of it. And sometime later, I happened to visit Malaysia. There is a very famous temple called Murugan Temple. Murugan Temple is a place where all visitors to Kuala Lumpur will go. I also went there with my friends. There is a very nice restaurant there at the foot of that hill. We went in for a dosa and coffee. And you know, there is a manager who sits there and collects the money. In front of the manager, there was a big chair. And this chair was having garland and candles were burned, sandal things were burned. So I went and asked that manager, I have seen all types of worships, but I have never seen anybody worshipping a chair. He said, sir, this is the chair where Rajinikanth sat when he came to Malaysia for acting Kapali. What an experience for me. When I was standing before the chair, I could see him standing before me and saying, sir, I have a dream. What a beautiful opportunity for a civil servant to interact with the dream. When I speak about the dream, I give the story of another place, wherever you know, Narayana Murthy, the man who has built this empire of Infosys. I was commissioner of the Bangalore City Corporation in 1978 to 80 period. Narayana Murthy's father-in-law, Dr. Kulkarni, this is something which people should know, because was a gynecologist. He was the professor of gynecology in Hubli Medical College.
Okay.
When I was Dharwar collector, my second son was born in Hubli Medical College. And Dr. Kulkarni was looking after him. I left Dharwar and went to different places, came as commissioner at 78. Dr. Kulkarni had retired. That is a time when Narayana Murthy and Sudha Murthy left their jobs in Bombay and came down with a dream of starting a computer company. Again, dream. No? Narayana Murthy wanted his first son, Rohan, to be given a seat in Bishop Cotton School. He asked his father-in-law, Father, you have been here for a long time, you are a government officer, you know a lot of people. Can you influence to get a seat in Bishop Cotton Boys School for nursery class? So Dr. Kulkarni said, I have retired, I don't know anybody in the school, but I know one person, who is my friend, Mr. Alexander. He is the commissioner of the city corporation. He may know the Bishop Cotton people. In any case, as commissioner, if he puts in a word, it will be done. So I will take you there. So they came. I spoke to Kulkarni, Sudha Murthy, and Narayana Murthy, and Rohan came to Corporation Commissioner's office in front of me. I spoke to the principal of Bishop Cotton School. The seat was confirmed. After the seat was confirmed, Dr. Kulkarni told me, sir, this son-in-law of mine has left a good job in Bombay and made my daughter also resign her job and come down. He has some computer idea, I don't understand it. He has joined by another 7 crazy people. They want to do something. I am worried. Please advise him. Are you prepared for this kind of a role? I told Narayanamurthy, there is something in what your father-in-law says, but I can't advise you. I don't know computer. I studied Shakespeare and Milton. I don't know computer. But there is something in what he says. He told me in return, sir, I know it's a risky affair, but we, all the 7 of us, have joined together and decided, come what may, we will pursue this dream. And where has the dream been taken up? So I shared 2 great instances where people know where dreams have taken them very high. And I had the opportunity as a civil servant to witness the emergence or budding of the dream.
If you liked our program, please do like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.